So, so good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, class. Okay. So make sure you can mute your microphones so that when I ask questions, you can hear me and also I can hear you people. Kifude Joseph, you can switch off your microphone. Kifude Joseph. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Straight away, we are going to cataloging and our objectives of today. At the end of this session, the learner should be able to define the given terms and also explain the cataloging process. First, we go before we define the given terms. I want you people to answer. I want you just engage you and ask you some questions. I want you to use your smartphones and Google the meaning of the term cataloging. I give you some few minutes to Google on the term cataloging, and then you give me the answers. Once you are ready, you raise your hand, and then I will appoint you to answer it. Okay, class. Anyone who have gotten the meaning of cataloging? Anyone to give us the meaning of the term cataloging? Yes, anyone who is ready to give the meaning of the term cataloging? I've given you some minutes to Google and yes, Kifude Joseph. Kifude, yes, yes, yeah, yes, yes. Very good. That is a good explanation. Thanks. Yes, I want, yeah, another student to give us the meaning of the term catalog. Another student to give us the meaning of the term catalog. You raise your hand and I give you a chance to give us the meaning of the term catalog. Yes, Kifude Joseph, or who can? Yes, Nelly Chepkoech. Give us the meaning of the term catalog. Yes, yes, yes. It is a list of terms or a collection. Okay, that's a good explanation. No? That is a good explanation. Who can also add on the term catalog? Okay. So next we have defined the given terms. So next we are going to explain the cataloging process. Before I show up my notes on cataloging process, uh, I want you people to group yourself and explain the cataloging process. So you can group yourself in your groups and give me the cataloging process. So I give you some minutes, then I will hear your answers. After that, I will show my notes on the cataloging process. Yes, I will give you some time. Then a group member from your group uh, will will air out the answers. Christine Wanyonyi, welcome. Welcome. We are in a class. Yes, yes, yes. Well, you can say something on cataloging process. Yes, you can say something on cataloging. Yes, 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 yes. You can. Yes, you can say something, Madam Christine. Yes, that's a good explanation. Thanks, Madam Christine. Yeah. So there's a cataloging process. Huh? It is like a procedure. So let me show you some notes and then we will read and finally we are going to understand. I hope everyone can see my notes. Let me go to we have started with cataloging. Catalog it is a list of books, maps, coins, and any other medium that constitute a collection. Cataloging is a process of identification and description of bibliographic item, the recording of this information in form of a catalog record, and the selection and formation of accessible points. Yeah, so the cataloging process is a process of systematically organizing and describing items in a collection to facilitate easy retrieval and access. Just as Christine Wanyonyi had said that it is just a systematic organization and describing or description of items in a collection. Yeah, so we are going to start with process number one. Process number one is collection assessment. You identify and assess the items that need to be cataloged. Then you determine the scope and purpose of the collection. The second procedure is selection of cataloging system. Choose a cataloging system or standard to follow. Common standards include AACR2, e.g. Anglo-American Cataloging Rules, and RDA, the Resource Description and Access. The third procedure is item identification. You assign a unique identifier to each item such as a session number or barcode. This helps in tracking and locating items. Procedure 4 is description. You provide detailed information about each item. This includes metadata such as title, author, publisher, publication dates, edition, and physical description. The fifth procedure is subject analysis. You assign relevant subject headings to categorize items thematically. This helps users locate materials on a specific topic. Classification. You assign a call number based on classification system, e.g. DDC, Dewey Decimal Classification, or a Library of Congress classification to arrange items on shelves systematically. The seventh procedure is indexing. You create indexes or other finding aids to enhance access. This may include alphabetical indexes of names, titles, and subjects. Eight is the catalog entry creation. Input cataloging information into a cataloging system or database. This entry becomes part of the catalog that users can search. 9. Quality control. Review and validate cataloging information to ensure accuracy and consistency. 10. Access points. You create access points such as author names, titles, and subjects to enable users to find items through various search methods. The last ones are maintenance and updates. You regularly update a catalog to reflect changes, additions, or deletions to the collection. User access. Make the catalog available to users through physical catalogs, online databases, or other accessible formats. Yes, and that is my notes. So maybe I can hear from my class. Maybe I can hear from my class now. Yes. Maybe somebody can ask you something, or maybe you have not understood anything, you can ask. Christine, yes, yes, yes. The scope is a coverage. Yes, it is the coverage. This like you say the scope. Yeah, so it's the collection assessment. It is the collection assessment. That is the yeah. So you determine the scope. That is the coverage of that book where it has covered, and also the purpose of the collection. Yeah. Unless you have anything to, yeah. Thank you, Christine. Welcome. Yes, Dorin Bosibori. Dorin, you can say something. Yes, yes, yes. Or you how you select, or how you choose a cataloging system. Yes, yeah. You choose a cataloging system or a standard to follow. It says that you look, let's say, common standards like AACR2. There are some things which AACR2 rules us or resource description and access us. So while choosing, you must consider the rules which are set apart in the Anglo-American cataloging rules or resource description and access. Are we together, Doreen? Hope you have gotten it. Hope you are good. Hope you are okay. Okay, thanks. Yes, I'm seeing. Okay. So for those who there's some notes I've sent. Um, oh, Christine Wanyonyi, you have something to say? Yes, yes, yes. Oh, let's say in a school library. Yes. Thanks, Christine, for a good question. No? I will choose the way decimal classification, no? because because it is good to be used in a small library. It is compatible with a small library, and also it is internationally accepted, and uh, it has few classes, and also it can accommodate large numbers which can be used in the small library. Unless you have something, Christian. Okay, thank you. Anyone else to say something or ask a question or just a concern? Okay. So for our next, for before we go to our next topic, I have an assignment. Uh, you explain the significance of cataloging process in organizing library collections. You explain the significance of cataloging process in organizing library collections. Class representative, you will, for those who will do the assignment, make sure I'll send an email so that you may send it in a soft copy, and we will meet on the next class. Thank you and welcome once again. Have a nice evening, class. Yes, play. Have a nice evening, all of you. Thank you so much.